Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their dreams effortlessly, while others struggle? The secret often lies in one invisible force: belief. Manifestation is the process of turning thoughts into reality. It's not magic. It's mindset, action, and energy combined. But even before action, comes belief. Belief acts like a signal to your subconscious mind. When you truly believe something is possible, your brain begins to search for ways to make it happen. Opportunities, solutions, even people, begin to align with your belief. Doubt does the opposite. It blocks energy. It tells your brain, this isn't real, and your actions follow. Neuroscience shows that belief influences behavior and perception. The placebo effect is a perfect example: patients healing just because they believe the treatment works. Imagine channeling that same power into your goals. Many of us have limiting beliefs. I'm not good enough. It's too late. I don't deserve success. These thoughts block manifestation. But beliefs can be rewritten through repetition, visualization, and affirmations. What you tell yourself daily becomes your truth. 1. Set a clear intention. 2. Visualize the outcome. 3. Feel the belief. Not just think it, feel it. 4. Take inspired action. 5. Let go of the outcome. Trust the process. Remember, belief is not just positive thinking. It's programming your inner world to match your desired reality. Change your belief, and you change your life. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who needs this message. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on mindset, manifestation, and personal growth.